Introducing the Epson Home Cinema 3800 4K Pro UHD 3-chip projector with HDR. Experience a whole new level of home theater with advanced technologies for resolution enhancement, color, and image processing. Featuring a true 3-chip projector design, this projector uses 3 LCD technology to display 100% of the RGB color signal for every frame, eliminating the rainbow effect and color brightness issues. With pixel shifting technology, it controls 3 individual, high-definition LCD chips to process millions of pixels for a true 4K resolution. Enjoy stunning visual performance with full 10-bit HDR support, reproducing HDR content with utmost fidelity. The digital video processing ensures smooth tonal transitions and eliminates compression artifacts for a flawless visual experience. With an impressive brightness of 3000 lumens for both color and white brightness, as well as a contrast ratio of up to 100,000 to 1, every detail is brought to life on the big screen. The Epson Home Cinema 3800 also supports full 18 gigabits per second HDMI 2.0, making it compatible with various color formats, depths, and spaces. Experience 4K HDR content at a full 60 Hz, perfect for gaming or streaming on the latest devices. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international users may require an adapter or converter. Upgrade your home theater experience with the Epson Home Cinema 3800. With 4K Pro UHD technology and exceptional brightness, color accuracy, and HDR support, you'll be captivated by the stunning visuals. Projection perfected. Get yours now.